subscribe yet.
Got a call from your mom today, and things ain't so good. She said things just ain't going right the way that it should. Way that it should. She said since you've been gone, it's like a terrible storm. She's down on her knees and she's trying to hold on. Don't know what's in her head. Maybe the things that you said. She wants you to come back home. She's missing the company of her daughter. You could have replaced the love of her mama. From the moment you left home, things was just not the same. Things were just not the same. Standing facing the mirror like a soldier in pain.
Wow. You know, I'm glad to see you.
Okay. So what that's supposed to mean? What you do?
Yeah, do something.
Can I talk to you about something?
Yeah, go and talk. Me I listen.
From what I realize, I don't have no friend. I don't understand. I don't have nobody to talk to. Or nobody. You know, if I want to go somewhere, we can say, Gigi, come link me, me go somewhere. I don't have any friend. Why I feel like I don't have any friend?
I mean, I talk to what you say. Me I come there. What you say? Me I hear. Go and
You
talk.
say, from what it seems like I don't have any friends.
Friends.
Yeah.
You want friends?
Yeah, because I'm lonely.
You lonely?
Yeah.
Hold on there. What kind of friend you want?
Yeah, I want a little friend and I can call and keep me company or whatever. Or whatever.
Look at you. You're a twin.
So I have to be twin for a friend, you know?
Sometimes it's better you stay by yourself. You love too much company. Trouble you ready if you go put me in and put yourself in. What wrong with you? Why you not tell me say you want one different kind of textbook if you go learn something when you're in the textbook them where you already have? Eh? Because the teacher them go tell we say if you buy them the amount of textbook there and sometimes we not even go through none of them at all. And that the term they done. I don't know waste so too much time and come back with a brand new book. And the next term again, next year, we have to buy a different set of book. I don't know how to use them.
So me can
You better me
answer
carry
next
go in a
question.
bookstore, what?
You never
When me
you
a
never
talk, don't
feel
talk,
like...
man. That me I tell you. Me you know size, me your mother, you listen to me. You talk when me ask a question. Or when me finish talk, you just talk. You understand me? You don't talk when people are talk. You get what me I say? Why you not say, mommy, carry me go in a one bookstore and you see one book where you like, where you think you would find interesting and tell me say you want that I'm buy for you. You want a friend. Then you sell friend. Me not no money for waste. See there you come out with foolishness. Me I do my work, you come and distract me. What happened to you? You have anything, you know what? Before me start back, you have anything else to say?
Me
Because
ask
you soon tell me say me not listen to it. What you say? What you say?
Me ask you if you never feel like you just want somebody company to
Soon
talk
tell
to.
me say me not listen to what you say. Me want company? You can sit down right there so you know as long as you shut your mouth. But if you go talk and distract me, it don't make no sense. You better you go on back in the house.
Alright then. Like come like so every time I talk to you about you. You know, watch this.
Waste my time. You don't need to waste my time. Call me about foolishness. That's why sometimes I not even pay you no mind, you know. Okay, now nothing constructive to talk about.
Oh boy. Here we go again.
With another feel, trying to talk to this woman and she not even a try to talk to me. Wonder who me can call right now. Rotted, no Amanda number this. Call her and say she would answer. What? Me never know you would answer, you know? By the way, you know what talk to you? Right, yeah, she. Go and get a long time, I don't see you if you stop coming to church, I go on. Oh, me understand, man, but girl, that I call you for anyways. Today I want some company, I say, yeah, you want me know what I up to. Yeah, for come keep my company or whatever. Later. Alright, I have a bag of things to chat to you about a lot. Alright, that's alright, man. Later.
Please like, share, comment. Manda.
Oh, yeah, who that?
Atamika, me can come?
Yeah, forward now.
Aye. Girl, why your gate so difficult?
Come in on the money and have to fix you up, but just go on with space, you know?
She a go like you don't want to touch me. So what this man?
Girl, me there no feel good, me drink one special.
So if you don't feel good, why you drink special for no mash to go mash you up more?
No, sir, me just use it to cool down me, you know?
No, me see you, man. So what go on otherwise than that?
So what you want to lick me for? You talk a bag of things over for me, and you say good.
Girl. You know say, you did my only friend my got. And I just go and check you come here and say, I want to go and check you come here and say, I want to make the thing that go back in with God church and things, girl, and we are do things. Yes, I
No,
want
that, man.
I want things to go back there, so that can happen.
Church partner go work out for me now, because you see me a liberal robbery now.
Well, girl, from come with my sister that you depend, so I'm not really busy about the church thing. One know me can take my phone and say, yo, Amanda, come check me up on me, and me can come check you, so, you know, that don't really matter to me.
Yeah, man, can go and check me anytime. You know, say if I'm live already, you can check me
And you know which
anytime.
one, you remember which family live, don't?
Yeah, I remember.
Alright. So we're good then?
Yeah, man, good, man.
Alright. So where they are going with?
I just see someone me there drink, because I tell you something, I feel 100.
Alright, I'm going to leave a big for you start chat some foolish, because I know.
Chat foolishness. You ever drink from it?
Me? Thought them not something make nobody here neither. Me.
You want to
No,
take
girl.
a sip of it and say nice, hmm?
Me not, me alright. You go first,
Aye.
we link.
Yeah, man.
Even mom.
Evelyn, yeah, man, I do some hard work from morning and now me can't finish.
Mommy, you would dear one know what I'm on the road today. Mommy, you know what you want me to say?
What wrong with you?
Yeah.
You don't have no sense. You know, sister, I work. Me not have no time for you right now. You can't wait till me finish.
Mommy just try.
Me have to focus on what me I do. Me need to concentrate when you come and distract me. How that I go now?
Mommy just simply have one conversation with you and you just a blame me.
What kind of conversation during my work at time? Eh? Me can't bother with you right now. Me don't have no time for you right now. When me finish, as soon as me finish, me get back to you.
It's alright.
You
You
know,
know what here?
me don't have no time for you. Me I do something right now and it's very important. Me can't.
Important than when you don't even know what I have to say, but you have to say it.
You always have to say something foolish
Okay.
and it don't make no sense.
Alright, make it stay. Never
So I
mind.
don't know where you come about now, but you distract me.
It's all good, mommy. Never mind. Just make it stay, mommy.
Manda, we are the them here, so I just come from pay other call, you know. I want mine to just walk on here, because I see always them here, so.
Yeah, I go on all the vibes that drink one style be like some fit me. I go on for me head, yeah. Jesus.
Think of a go on the here.
You don't know what say? Boy, too much stress about me, man. If I may a drink, can't manage it. Can't manage it. You can't say we're not living, yeah, man.
Pressure. Girl, I know me just stress out with them, I don't know. Me just, the things them, just a run through my mind and I go through my mind. Remember the situation me I tell about my mother? Girl,
Yeah.
them just have me away, them just have me just a shove me in a one corner, so girl. And then just, it come like...
Them who? Them who?
And I mean, like, you know, them thoughts there where you just sit down by yourself and then just hit your back and things. I just know one them there, yo.
So she not spend and reason with you like how me and reason then.
Not even one little. You're good. How was your day? Nothing like me. If you try to ask her, one thing you see me at work. Baby, the bill. That not have nothing to hold in a conversation with your daughter. And me, I say, I tell thing about it when me try to tell her how me feel about it. She a go say to me, say, oh, I big me a big man, and how me a follow you. And I call her skittle and I say, wait, from the start, party, I feel like me a big woman and thing.
Your woman don't like me. You see your mother don't like me.
She don't like
Your
you,
mother
she-
don't like me and me and no skettle just because me a beat me liquor. Cause me have my stress and bother me.
I know me feel
Your
like
mother,
me nice
if
and
your
she
mother
feel
know,
something.
if your mother know, your mother don't like me for a long time. You know. Your mother don't like you neither.
I'm kind of sick, boy.
Me don't know what kind of mother that can not like him pick me when birth. A wicked mother do them sitting there.
I don't feel like saying like she don't like me. You just don't know why problem. You just don't know why problem. Girl, why vibes right now? Crying now.
Right now, rum bar one go on, you know. Drink some real rum. You think this a rum?
Drama, I know. But that way me drink rum. I don't see my partner there, so.
Know yourself, man. Me you go down one bar when you beat some rum. You go get the first drink for your first time in your life. Don't worry yourself.
What do you mean by that?
When me carry you, you will see what me a talk about.
You can't mind you make somebody a pass on
Nobody,
your mother
them
and
the
tell
people
her.
they know say something chat loud already. When they hear me, they not even want to hear me again. But you see, when they hear me,
But anyway,
you ready?
no, I'm not a choice. Please you.
What you smell, sir?
Who is you to ask him that?
Oh. Send you go to school for nothing at all. So this you come out to.
Wait.
Are you plan this?
Anything. Hear me?
Tamika, you see you? You are going to go under some serious punishment.
Listen to me. Listen.
When you take up alcohol, put on your head for you know you cannot manage it. Why you take it up? What's your problem?
If you did care and want to know, they would have did it for me.
Nobody did it for you.
Nobody feel
So me
like,
not did it for you.
nobody feel like me too drunk for this. Bother with that.
How are this?
Come on, we just start talking here. Nobody feel like me too drunk for have the conversation. Yeah. Because I come and me a chat for all a conversation with her all the time that I not understand. And you say yes, my mother. I know you go, but you go ask me, oh, you take up alcohol? No bother with it. No bother with it. You real mother by the way? No, I have to ask. Sometimes one day if I just pick me up or whether not tell me. Because I really wonder. You can ask some question. You would that? Yeah.
Alright, boy. Boy, how we are talk to? Put up there, stick me out there and see right where you have in your ear. Watcha? You know who you talk to? Me say if you know who you're talking to. Where you say if I'm your real mother? So who me to you?
No, no, right now.
So what you doing at my place if me I know your mother? Why you not find your mother place?
I don't know ask you.
Why you not go to your father go ask him if I'm me indeed get pregnant with you? Hold up your head. You feel say you're a big woman? Eh? True, because you soon left school. You feel say you're a big woman. You take up rum drinking and come in. They can't talk to me as you feel like, little girl, I will shut your box. God. One tear.
No.
You know, come on to my side. Me not in a no talk. You notice me not in a no long talking. Me just low you make you talk. Me not in a one good mood.
The pain they make me feel. How when you give me 17 bucks, can't do you. You, we call yourself my mother.
Come on to my kitchen.
I want your girl out here. You belly hot here, this in my bathroom so long. You know, I'm not like saying so too long, you know, my girl. I want you.
Girl, is yourself. After when you go put me to the last night, I come go on.
Stop.
Stress me out.
How I could have stressed you now. I'm going to drink last night, make you feel so.
Girl, me little rum. You forgot how much cheers and rum we drink. Never in my life again. You know the reason why me even do that. Because me the only conversation with you.
Girl, stop right there, so. You know, rum are my best friend, you know. A rum keep me, you know. It's when me have stress, me just get some rum, you know. Just get a flask of JB. Because I don't like white rum, you know. Flask of JB and one boom. Just done. And go and all the mix and just go and burn a split to girl.
That I do. Because the stress on me I go through, you don't think you go through that. You ever sit down and try to talk to your mother and it's like, you just, man, like, she's zoning you out of she mind. Nothing and talk to you, nothing. You have to have simple ask if you good, not even that thing. Yeah, me not think I go through them the stress the girl. And I that man me drink so last night and I say I come in a piece of drama. Me say,
Me no grow with no mother. And me they are happy. Me ain't worse. Me alright. Me good.
Remember say me need a mother. Me used to have a mother room, but me not used to. You know?
What? Stop about your mother, my girl. I want to you. Want to make your mother go about her business. You me say me no grow with no mother. Girl, I want to you. Be like me. More you be like me. Oh,
This a girl,
So
man.
you go.
Girl, be like me. I'm tear. If you be like me, girl, I want tear.
You, where you do ya? Come out of my place. How much time I tell us if you stop bring the little Jezebel here in my place? Come out of my place.
You ready?
Ready, cause me want to see you.
Come on, we go road that we take on.
Yo,
road
sit
by
down
this
there.
time.
So. You, come out of my place. Close the gate on your way out. What she do ya?
I'm afraid I'm gonna have a conversation with her.
What you do? Talk to me like say you're a big woman now. So you are hide and take man to like she what she do when she there for her mama yard. That's why she have to run away. So now you feel say you're a big woman. You do it or you not do it. You hide and take man or you ready to go take man. Which one?
Maybe I'm just going into that thing. I have no idea what to do.
You can't tell me say you're going out with a friend. You don't live by yourself and you're not there on your own. You're under my roof. You go out if me want you to go out. You can't tell me say you want to go out when you want to go out. You're not there on your own little girl. Who you?
Can I ask you a question?
Not ask me nothing.
Okay, I'm gonna go in and ask. When things take care when I'm going to go or not, or come.
You know, say you not stop until me give you what you look for. You know, say you get too bright when you mix up with the Jezebel daughter way down the road. She a Jezebel and her mama a Jezebel. Eh? And now you want to turn Jezebel to not under my roof. Not over my dead body. Else guess what? You see you now? Me go down a station go report you at the station, you know. To one of the police them. Because either me send you go approve school or you go off a runway. Or you stay under my roof and listen to what me say, cause I know where you say goes. You don't know woman in this little girl. And when me talk to you, stop it shaking.
So that's your problem?
Yes, me have problem with everything about you. From you mix up with Lulu Bell, dirty, nasty, idiot girl with the pan road and smoke, a drink, and the up and down every dance hall, every pan knock she did it. So she want to come lead you straight out. If you think you're bad. If you think you're bad, I wrench out every ear out of your head. Get up and go in the back. Hey girl, get up. Get up now. Get up. And go on in your room.
I'm going into that thing.
Go on in your room. Oh, you make up your mind to go to your friend? Oh, you're going out?
Yes.
Okay, Miss Big Woman. Since as you feast, you have to go out with a friend, go on with her. You see, when you buck your big toe,
That's what I'm gonna do.
don't look back at this yard there. You hear me, I tell you? And guess what? You see, when you go through the door here, just remember you close them behind. One. And I hope when you come back and you close them, you come pick up. And if you don't mind chop and laugh too hard, me make you take them up for now.
Mommy, just
Go on with your friend. Hey, that one. You see, when you little young girl, when you're not ready to take man, before time, I found no deal with parents, but you know want parents to come hug you up, love you up, and say, okay, my daughter, I love you. Who you? Buck your big toe and come call me and you will see. I need to talk to you about your daughter. What you mean what she do now? You see me always talk to you about her? Huh? Don't look, oi. No bother with it. I you she take off her. If me they do my work, I mean not have no time to deal with she. You need to assist her. You need to around her. No, you can't leave everything for me. Okay, Mr. Big Man. And me, nobody pass your place with me. And me pregnant myself. Me breed myself now. So all of a sudden, woman can breed themselves without man do whatever with them. Okay. You wipe off of my map long time. I sorry I breed for a drunker dog like you. I don't like you from the beginning. It look like a obey me because I don't know everybody they ask to say, oh, me can't deal with a man like you. But guess what? Circumstances make me do what me do. Me never want to do it. I obey me because I can't believe that in my sleep. Me they wonder if I really you me make breed me. You're wicked, just like your family them. I know me come breed for you and my daughter look like she can turn on like a Uno. You see Uno vampire generation of vampires. Eh? Uno a generation of vampire. Me don't know who me can fall in. The little girl don't have no manners, no respect, no discipline, no home training. And not so me grow her. Not because me busy. And me work me do me no want hear nothing from you. When me not doing anything, she not have nothing to say to me. She always have something to say to me whenever time I am doing my job. Remember some work online. Me can't make nobody distract me. Whether you, she or the devil. Me no want none of you distract me. You understand? What you mean me not give you no time to talk? Who you? And me call you upon my credit. So you need to listen to me and when me don't talk, then you talk. That's why me couldn't agree. Number one, you want workless poor. Let me tell you about the word. You want workless pooper. Because see, they left her upon me now. I lucky thing when take me book at school. Me can get work online and they start her out. Seeing we and me, seeing we and pay rent and me, they send her at school and me and do everything. A matter of fact, she soon graduate and you know they no part of your life. Now you they come contact this and talk that about your daughter, this and your daughter that, and I me this and I me that. So you and your daughter is the same thing. I would tell you if you go and take her out of my place. But guess what? You see, true, she a girl and she a no boy. And me not trust you all when you are pooper, me not trust you. Me not trust some dirty man run some girl child. Because some of you all when a phone no pick me, you know how to dog, I not drunk rock, I not drunk rock mine and dog mine. And some of you me are talking on all I know because you have good writing decent daddy out here. Me are talking you dirty dog. Me afraid of you, because no found a pervert and pedophile. I don't molest so no one to pick me. Me no want when time nothing go happen to her. Police come haul and pull me. No tell me say me no have no time for her. Me they do me work. If I don't do my job, she cannot eat. You not supporting her. Cut long story short, come on go about my business. Me no call you for come in and no nice up talking with you, you know. Me no unite with you, you know. Me no long look at talking with you, you know. Me tell you something. Me is a change woman. These are the days them were different from the days them when me meet you. But I sorry I never bag your head when I look here and get this little girl, you know. It's another man should breed me, not you. Come off of my phone, you damn dog, and then you buy me credit. Me sorry, me call you, but me need to tell you about your stupid daughter, you damn idiot. All me they look on the lizard up there so. Me I wonder if they go in the bag. Figure near about me right.
OTHER.
Girl, I waited there so long. Me I wait for you. Wait there so long. Me I wait for you.
Yeah, when me down there in one bag of talking, you did hear what she said to me. You are going to simply tell her, say, "Ma, go here." She say, "Oh, make sure so when you come back, all your clothes and your comfort." You see attitude them when I tell her what she had give me?
So she fling you out?
You're right, yeah.
She's a wicked mother. She's not a good mother. But a good thing, so me never grew up with no mother because I don't cuss her right now. You think I'll, girl, you want to come stay with me?
But girl, me not tell you about them attitude, but you never yet believe me. I'm glad you come down here and come see the baby what she going on. I would love to come see her because me don't know where to go. And my father now, me leave it.
You don't like that thing, the girl. She come and she come over to come at her house.
So she down, she see people, she come like she see
Look upon her too. Girl, you can't come stay with me now. I want one who me have. Me not go make nobody sleep with me now. I make woman sleep with me. And after me I say me I want coach, me I make her sleep in it.
Girl, me not mind. Just want to know some awesome first made right now. That don't really matter.
Alright. When time come you buy a bed you can, you know? You understand me I say?
Yeah, girl. So just what this going on? I'm gonna go upstairs.
Oh, come on, go over.
Yeah.
Sometimes it can feel so haunted. It drives you insane.
Let's upstairs, yes.
With your picture in hand, she just can feel so haunted. It drives you insane. With your picture in hand, she just can't understand why it's taking so long, and she wants to move. Just a blink of an eye when she started to cry. She's holding on to those memories.
Yes, hello. I'm glad you answered the phone. Me need to talk to you, for a long time. Now me get you because me notice me always call your phone and you're not answering the phone. Me and you are no friend. I mean, I know how my daughter take up one little bacteria looking germs like you as friend. You is an idiot. You is dunce. And you come to lead my daughter astray. Now you make my daughter gone out of the yard. First, me come on my yard, come see you. Wish you never invited. Where no bones are provided, no dogs are invited. And a matter of fact, me tell you if you move from the gate, now you're catching at the house. Me warn you from when. I know you make my daughter gone. You a lead my daughter astray. And anything happen to my daughter, you may call police fan. Yes. Because I know she can't come back. And you see, anytime she come back, a matter of fact, when she make up her mind, so she want to go with you, me tell her to go on. Because you are Satan pick me. I want to come to broke out other people pick me. Let me tell you something. No come back on my yard. And any you make my daughter breed and I like it. And anything at all happen to her, if she missing a you, a matter of fact, me go to station go report you. Right now, that's anything bad happen to her, are you in a problem, not me. I mean, no one say she the way you there, and if she not the way you there, you know where she there. You are invigilate for do bad things. Don't worry yourself. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Yeah. Me know say you're rum, you not have to tell me that. Me know rum not have nothing to do with you. That's why you want people pick me if you come drink rum, if you come be like you and smoke like you. Okay. Because you're not in a abiding city. Alright. Stay with her. I hope when anything happen to her, you're responsible for her. Not send her back at me yard because I go turn her back. You hear me? I don't. Oh, yeah, man. Everything good. Matter of fact, I don't know my credit. You're good.
Amanda, baby.
Who is that?
Oh. Hello.
You can't come through because you haven't told me who you be.
What you say?
Or you're going to come into somebody and not introduce yourself. That's not this. Who is you? What's the problem? How may I help you?
I mean name James.
I don't know James, so I'm nowhere. Who you would like to see?
Amanda, I come link, man.
Amanda is not here.
She's not there?
No.
And who am I speaking to?
Her friend, who I asked.
Our friend and her name?
Them call me Titi, but my name is Tamika.
So, Miss Tamika. Where you say Amanda there?
I don't know, she's not here.
Oh. So you're here by yourself?
Yeah.
But she never tell me that she have such a nice looking friend.
I don't come here, for?
Well, I mean, you are here and you look nice. I would really like to come and have I can't get to your
For your
guineas.
information, I know that you look nice. If you want guinea, you can get it if you want it.
Yeah, man, I would like to have a seat beside you and eat two of the guineas.
Okay. If you don't even know who you be, but you can
But
come
I tell
and
you,
see.
says me name James, man.
You won't hurt to talk to a stranger for once.
So let me properly introduce myself. My name is James and you are?
TT, as me say, but you can call me Tamika.
Okay, Mr. Mika. May I have a seat beside you?
Yeah, you can sit down.
Hi.
So who is you to Amanda? And be honest, really honest.
No, man, Amanda, that's my friend, man.
Your friend, and
Yeah.
when you come here, babes, babe, what you mean, are your friend?
So that's what I call all of my people and babes, man. Nothing to it.
That's weird, what you mean? Okay, anything else then?
Yeah, I mean, but you know, I wouldn't call you babes. I'm gonna call you bae.
Why? You know why you call me that?
No, but how I mean by?
I never tell you to me as nobody.
But why you so defensive, baby girl?
What you mean by defensive?
You're behaving defensive, man. I'm a nice guy, you know.
First of all, you come into people in yard, you call to Amanda, I'm telling you she not here. You still step in and then you go and say me offensive. If you want to say something, get straight to the point, please.
So hold on there. Hold on. Why you behave like that? You know, you give me a personality like you know, you don't have much friends. Or you go through a phase right about now. Something wrong?
Well, I don't really have no friends, as you can see. Amanda is my only friend, but yeah, I don't really got nobody like that, you know? Yeah, so I feel like that's where it's coming from. I don't really feel like I'm offensive or whatever you say. I just, yeah.
But you can talk to me. Just calm down and talk to me. I'm a very good listener, you know.
First of
And so,
all,
look, hold on there. Was that a smile? Oh my goodness. Look at the beauty of the thing, man. Don't do that. Look how you teeth them pretty, baby girl.
listen. First of all, you're a stranger. How sure am I to trust you to tell you my business?
Baby girl. Like Nova Scotia, your secret is safe with us.
You sure I can trust you?
I promise you. I'm like a vault. I only keep money and good things in there.
I'm going to trust you, but I want me to hear this back.
You will never.
You know, say, I really am truly my mother. My mother, Lord God. My mother.
Really?
You see the lady I put me through a bag of stress. That's why I'm there because she run me out. And as I say, Amanda the only friend I got. So that's why I'm there, so now
Really?
I'm stressed out. You know, like me going in like one evening. No. Yeah, she did sit down outside. And me say, I'm so glad to talk to the lady. Come here and say, I want somebody to talk to. I go out there, well, grab chair, sit down and talk to the lady. I dey pan, mommy. I did she give me say, she comes so. So me be like, okay, what that for? The lady not have no time for me go as far as again. I go to talk to her again. She has said, where you bother me for? Me have to work and blah blah blah. So me don't know it's just my mother. And because me tell her to me I go with my friends because she not there for me, my friend there for me. She said I must go live with my friends. So that's why I'm there so.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, the struggle is very real.
Why? You see now, everything happens for a reason.
Yeah,
Look at this. God said to me, today, just walk and just stroll and just clear your mind and be free. You know, you have the whole day for yourself and not working today. And look there, I buck up on you and you actually want somebody to talk to you. You really send me to come listen to you, know?
You feel so?
Baby girl, I'm a listening ear to you right now. Anything at all you want to talk about, I'm all ears. I am here for you.
Listen, let me tell you the honest truth. Just talking to you, made me feel so relieved because I did really need somebody to talk to. And it's like when I talk to Amanda, she come like my mother, she not listening, she just jump to her and think, girl, I'm not girl with no mother. And look, me come out good, it's just stressing.
You're what,
This
Titi?
really feel relief.
You're what, Titi?
Yeah.
This is what I want you to do. I want you to forget about everything, calm yourself down, and start from the beginning. And I want you to give it to me slowly.
You want me to tell you everything from scratch?
Start it from the beginning and just release it. You know, it will help you to free your mind. Just talk to me. I am here for you, baby girl.
That would be a long
I have
process.
nothing but time for you. I'm not going anywhere.
Let me clarify
I can
something
put all my
first.
phone on do not disturb right now.
Let me clear something for you. You sure say you're Amanda friend?
Me and Amanda is nothing. We are nothing more than friends.
You're
like
sure?
positive, baby girl. TT, right now, I feel closer to you than I feel close to Amanda.
Hey, you just know me what kind of... I saw me know, no man line. You just meet me a second ago, you say.
But isn't the energy right?
Yeah, you're right, but
Then
man, I say you just a jump in.
If the energy is right, that means that the chemistry will go work out, baby girl. Don't fight it. Just make it flow. Don't bring negativity into a positive situation. Right now, you're unloading. Just offload the man. I'm here to take it up and throw it away for you.
All I can say is going to be a long process. I'm going to feel like you want to hear it. I'm going to feel like you really
Are you
want to hear
still
it.
a try to
The
talk
main
too
topic
fast?
is that my mother... Okay. The main topic is... You understand me now? The main topic is
My mother don't got any time for me, you understand?
What is it you would like to talk to your mother about?
You never like, alright, you have a mother, right?
I do.
You sit down and talk to your mother, like, and she look by you and she laugh, ask how is it day and everything, right?
Occasionally, yes.
I don't got that. That's the point. I need that. I need to feel like I need that motherly love, you know?
What about your father? Is he anywhere in these settings?
Don't even get there. That one, don't even get there.
Really?
She would even know. We get there. Don't get there.
Hear what?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you my number. And this number, you can reach me anytime, anywhere, at any cost.
Stop there. Listen. I hope you not come with this one bag of woman and man thing relationship because I don't want that. Honestly, I'm not into that right now. If you're going to be my friend, you're going to be my friend, okay?
Is a friend you need?
Yeah, I don't need no man.
Then it's a friend you're going to get, baby girl.
No problem.
I promise you. I'll be the most loyalest, nicest, kindest friend you will ever need.
Okay.
Time you know still, you know. Yeah man, a time you know man for me get some collection on my plane and whole heap listen to my ears burn me, you know. That time the girl that call me. Yeah. Hello. Hey TT, what's up? How you doing? You alright? Yeah man, I'm there, you know. Hey, I want to tell you, say, yo, I've been there just a think about you, and say, yo, I feel like I want to talk, you know, chill, I don't know. What you doing? Yeah? You know, can forward then, man. Forward, man. We not do nothing. Not one earthly thing. We lied like a feather, not doing a thing. But they are just a chill. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah, alright, watch out now, so I gotta direct you to the spot. Alright? Oh, a nice little spot, man. A nice little tree, and you can kick back and relax. Just something nice like that, yeah, baby? Right. Oh, sorry about the baby, Once me tell you something, call all of my friends, them. Alright, so here what you do. Just when they come outside of your yard, I want you to take the road. Right after it, you see, you're going to take the left turn there, come to the shortcut there. Right, you see which part, the willow trees, them and thing. And you go see some mango trees. The tall mango trees them, you can't miss it. Alright underneath the coolest one me there. Yes. You forward? You forward with you? Alright. Alright, forward.
I thought I wasn't gonna find you, you know.
No, what are you talking about? I was watching you coming, man. So I see say you goes on the right track. Come on, have a seat, man.
Yes, I look dirty. I wasn't gonna say.
No.
Okay.
How am I a good man?
You'd have to wash it back if it not set me girls in.
What going, best friend? So you find the place well?
The thing I go last time, I tell me to take the left and then go down to the shop. And I say, I look out and I say, oh no, James, that. So it does a smile, so.
I'm happy to see my friend.
Anyways, you really say I'm coming here, so come here, I want to come show you appreciation. For all of this time, you just have me, I call you, answer me, I talk to you, I tell you things. Me just make that really show me say a real friend do exist, and I just love that. I love that. So I really come to show you appreciation because I'm thinking you going to say, if I say you're going to really come, I say, yeah man, of course I'm going to come. Why you feel I'm never going to come?
I don't know, probably, you're not going to show me say you appreciate me or you don't really appreciate me, so sometimes, I don't know.
This visit is to show you that I really appreciate everything.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So
why
you
that?
can show a nicer appreciation.
What you mean a nice? Hey, what you mean a nice?
I mean, but you say we are friends, right?
Yeah, we are
So why are you
friends.
making up a face like that?
Because you feel
There's
like
no
you
need.
come off a weird start. I don't understand.
No, why you get... Oh, I'm Tia, man. Yeah, babe, sir. Come on, T, man. Oh, I'm Tia.
What you mean come? Hello, just get straight to the point. What you mean? You mean like we go to a rock about two bottles and chill? What you mean?
No, what you talking about bag juice? What it... Let us not talk about the chill thing. The chill thing are and buying bag juice for kids. I am talking about us taking what we have here to another level.
Get to the point, please. Because I feel like you get off at one start but I'm not gonna like. So can you just get to the
No,
point?
I mean like, seeing as I'm such a good friend to you,
Yes, you are.
and you are such a good friend to me, I believe that we can be great friends together.
I'm not about that. No mean if you take advantage of it, the friendship.
I'm not taking advantage. I'm merely just putting it into perspective. Say, we are good for each other. T, I regular me think about you, you know.
Start right here, Jess. What you mean good for each other?
T, then you don't think about me like how I think about you.
No. What you... Hey. What you... No, me not...
Like this.
Listen.
Haven't I been there for you?
James. I want to get this clear before me get out of hand. What you mean we good for each other? You mean like a relationship thing?
But we don't have to start wherein it is a relationship. We can start it at a situationship. And
Don't touch me.
so why you behaving like this? Am I not a good friend to you?
So because you're a good friend, you feel like you can't come take advantage of me? What you mean
I'm not
by?
taking advantage. I'm merely just trying to collect on my interests.
You know what I gotta do? I gotta tell him on the phone. Oh dear!
What? What is it?
Oh,
A
dear
box, you
you.
box me a while ago.
Let me go. Don't touch me. You're just a pervert.
What you talking
I
about?
can't even you come up on me the other day, the people in me that come tell me, say, oh, you want to be my friend, I want to listen. So this is what you listen for.
But haven't I been there for you all this time?
So you've been there for me, that means you have to come, get under my foot or whatever. What you mean?
But you don't seem like you appreciate it then. You move like you don't appreciate the fact that I'm really a check for you.
What is this?
How many people you know would I do these things? If you want an ice cement, me run go get it. If you had hot you, me carry you go doctor.
Don't touch
And
me.
then you're behaving as if you don't want me to even touch you.
How?
And me if you get the prize.
Oh, me miss the part. Oh, me miss the part of you. Oh, me miss it. Me
What
never-
part?
This part of you being a pervert.
How is that a pervert, baby girl? I'm being such a nice guy. You know how many people would want a man like this?
Okay.
Who listens,
So no.
who attends to your
What me
needs.
tell us the first? You tell me no want a man. So why you never go? Listen to me. Don't.
But that was in the beginning.
I'm gonna leave.
I'm going to
because-
develop feelings for you.
Listen. In this studio, I'm gonna leave and make sure, as the first thing I'm gonna tell Manda about you, because I don't know what's this pervert.
You really leaving like that, TT? TT?
Babe, my daughter.
Don't touch me. But you don't even know me eating right now, you know. Don't come and say, when since you have a daughter?
Listen to me, I always have a daughter. It's not like that because, you see, you don't understand what really are going on with me and mother. You understand me, I say? And this has nothing to do with you.
So daddy, yeah, my mother and son, me and you something, you treat me so all the day of my life. Me do you something, my mother do you something, me never do you anything. What you mean?
Your mother don't do me
My
nothing.
mother.
Listen. Your mother, only thing she do is reveal to me that me and she can't live in the same place.
You not have to live in the same place today with me, daddy?
Let me explain to your daughter. How is your relationship with your mother right now?
Don't.
Answer my question. How is your relationship with your mother right? Is it good? Is she somebody you can talk to?
Where? No.
Exactly. So, in my case, in my defense, I have to take myself away from my own sanity. Now, every time I try to call her, she has to say, boy, you're not there now. You're gone from the road. Or you're there at school. Or go visit her at school. Or she not even tell me which school you go to. Because she hide you from me.
So, daddy.
So, when you call me, listen, she called me first. And she called me a complaint about you. Like, say she won't give me the opportunity to be in your life. She not give me the opportunity, baby girl.
Who is the man? Mommy, are you?
I made a man, but
Okay, you know which part mommy live. You don't care, you come there and come here to the house. Mommy can't stand up and talk to you. You're my father.
you
What
know what she
mean?
put a restraining order upon me because of her love for me, and she had tried to get herself out of it. No, she obviously out of it because she called my phone and feel so strong enough to talk to me. But at the end of the day, babe, it's not your fault. It's not my will or my anything to stay away from you, but I'm glad you called me. I was waiting for you to reach out to me so I can actually say, all right, you know what, it's time for she to understand how much I love her. You understand me, I say?
You give me a chance to talk?
What happened today?
You give me a chance to talk.
Talk to me, babe.
Me not have a mother, and it come like me not have a father. If me not have a mother to talk to me, supposed to have a father, me can call and say, Daddy, I want to talk to you. That's what you have mother and father for. If your mother is dead, your father did, and if your father is dead, your mother did. And me not see where you both on for. When it just come like a big log in my life, a black.
Listen, if it's one thing we can guarantee you, your mother love you. But it's just that
You say you don't love me.
I love you, but it's just that we can't coincide in the same place because we are too fire. We ours are burn. Because she constantly wants to control things and me just understand that. But she love you. It's just the way how she express herself with how she love you. We can guarantee you that. If I want thing, anything you want, when you're sick and all them something, she run up and down for you.
So
because
why she can't show me that love and affection in front of my eye? When I'm sick?
Listen, because she's not a talkative person. She don't know how to express herself. And you can't blame her. But I can guarantee you, your mother love you. Listen to me now, my daughter. I want you to leave from that area and go back to your yard.
She don't want me a yard.
She is just talking.
She don't want me a yard.
How much time she call the phone?
I don't see no miss call from her. I probably me block her. I block her because I don't want you for now.
So what you do then? You gotta take yourself away from her and make it feel like I share the fault. Listen, she only want the best for you, you know? She only want the best for you. And me want the best for you too. Eh?
What you want for
The
me?
best for you.
So
I mean,
why you could call me and say, daughter come stay with me because my mother call me and tell me a bag of things. Your sister no me no
A
good.
daughter is best raised around her mother to show her certain things. A son is best raised around his father.
Now.
If there's a separation in a
Listen now,
relationship.
Listen now. If me did there around you, you think what happened to me today could happen to me? If I did there around me to tell me certain things?
But that's true, my daughter. I'm not going to say everything what I do is right. I'm not going to say everything, explain everything. But you have to understand, say, at the end of the day, you come out just right, not true?
No. If me did come out right, when me I do a people yard. When me I seek attention from man because me want a friend to talk to. Him call me today, you know, I'm go down which part him them I go tell me about how him want this and that. Because me confine in him and tell him everything my mother put me through and you have put me through. And then he gonna put words to me. If you did that as a father and tell me how man stay, that would happen. I swear it would happen. Me blame it upon you. Me blame it upon you.
Tamika. Tamika. You take the blame, man. You know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to start from now to be a father to you.
So
Alright? I'm going to start from now.
Yes. Promise you
And
that.
you, listen to me. No, alright. Action speak louder than words.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright, so. The time kind of dark. I'm not going to tell you if I go down at your mother's yard now. I'm going to go down and talk to her. I want you to go back home. So I'm going to reach with her first. I'm going to call you back with your phone and make you know everything.
So if that no work out, when
It can work out.
with you?
You want to come stay with me?
Yeah.
We talk about it. We talk about it.
down there, why I can't go and stay with
And I'm not
father?
saying I have man down there, but my schedule kind of different. You understand? I'm not going to tell you I live a perfect life. Since leaving mother, I always are up and down in my head and I try to get all kind of stuff.
Daddy, me big no. We can't do certain things after me. Okay?
Alright, so listen, we're going to talk to her first, because parents have a reason about this thing. And then we move from there.
Do what you have to do.
Alright, babe? Come go before no man.
I'm fine.
That's I think. Don't be like your mother to be stubborn.
I don't want any
Don't be like your mother to be stubborn. Alright. My daughter, I love you. Me will talk to your mother, then I come talk to you. Alright? I'm about to cry, man. Here we go, so we talk. Yeah?
Okay. I don't pay him to promise you have, you know, I even not take your word for it.
Why if you send me an empty promise when I've never promised you in front of your face?
But you promised me over one girl, you never heard.
Show your mother never let me talk to you like that.
It's
Tamika,
cool.
just relax. I'm going to talk to you later.
That
Alright?
is here, just do what you have to do.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Come like we have a perfect timing. How we are go? Nobody look for me, sir. 1 second, please. Just 1 second. Come on, come. Have a talk with you. I'm gonna go cussing around. Go on, sleep. Let me nervous.
What is it?
Tamika called me and she explained to me what I want, but I not come here so for cuss or argument. Saying I don't want nobody go hear some there and you hear my voice and I'm something there. I'm saying, me think if I go for Tamika. Tamika they Amanda place. And when she called me and I explained, say, she want to work out stuff. She even said, boy, she want to moving with me. And we all know how that part of the girl because you say nah give her to me. Saying, but me have to tell her, I say, boy, me have to tell her one of the things. So what I have to do for me is that go back for your daughter. You understand me? I say, no, we don't need the argument, yes, sir.
Why you not go fear?
Jesus Christ.
Oh, you remember the gate here? You know, say you was a mistake in my life.
Me hear that already.
Everything what she do now, because she used to listen to you. You is a mistake. You is not a daddy. One go look for her. You go bring her home.
She is waiting and me not come here for no argument in the boss. I got me a talk
Oh,
about it. We have to try draw me out.
Don't shout out in
No,
me yard.
but
we
what
left. My man asleep.
You have man up here yet?
We left.
So hold on.
Don't ask me
You moving man with my daughter? That you do?
Are you
Let me stay for my house.
Oh, Canada.
So hold on. You have man asleep against my daughter now? Eh?
How much room they on this?
What do you mean how much room upon this?
Me and my daughter never used to sleep with you and you and daddy. Me I go sleep with my daughter with the next man.
So what you
And
trying
all
to tell
that
me,
concern
What do you mean
you?
so that concern me?
Look here.
Me not come and argue and fight, Yo, sometimes I wonder.
How are this? You come like you forgot how we used to live. Put down your hand and raise it up back again. You look like you want to go out on 1 foot. Come out of me yard, boy, we house.
Go for me pitney.
Out of your
Go for me
house.
pitney. That's all me I tell you. Go for me pitney. Alright? Me
And
not
what
come
you
and
go-
argue.
what you gonna do me, daddy?
Me not go do nothing but go for me pitney because you want me go to prison. That you want me to do?
But you-
You want to see me go to jail, not true? Eh? Cartel free now, so me fi come out, so him come in and me fi go in.
Don't call up
Yeah.
cartel name in your dirty
see
stinking
you?
mouth. That's why someone know I go to hell, you
You
know.
see
No
people
chat
like
too
you,
much.
you see people go for me daughter. It's simple as that. I'm done this.
And not that, if me not go for her, come beat me, daddy. Come beat me. Who is you?
I mean, I know more than without the indica, Love me look around me and keep my brain calm. Alright, now my brain hot.
Listen,
Nah lie.
come like I see you live in a car, me no know how wrong with you.
Why? Every day me have to drink morning and evening.
You can't
right
tell me your yard.
through. What you say?
I chat to you, you met us a girl. What, one thing on this rum thing?
Girl, you don't know if I just keep my company, I just calm down my nerves.
I can't bother with you.
At this.
Manda,
That's why I'm there, so.
make me talk to you about serious situation. Talk to you about foolish. What's this?
What do you mean, what that? It calm down my nerves anytime my head hot. You don't know that? Eh? Anytime I feel weak and lonely like me not have no body, it help me. Calm me down, make me nerves. Calm down.
Me I talk to you about it. Me not talk about that because this year make you stress like myself. You listen, me come to talk to you about important stuff. Listen to me. You know what, James?
Dirty boy James. Fi me ex. I be a fractal you want go on every woman if you want go on them fractal.
Man, I'm not stop you. What you mean? Your ex, James is your ex. Me not cut you in about me said the other day you're gone. I'm sit down out that door. Me hear somebody pan Amanda, baby. So me say, who is that? Well, step in a yard. I mean, don't know this boy from Adam Muslims. He's coming. I say, some say, who is it, Amanda? When he knows Amanda is my friend, but me should have picked it up because the little dirty boy comes. Oh, me never know some Amanda have pretty people like you.
That's what James a look. What James a do on me yard. And that me want to understand that me can't get to understand no James.
Good girl.
What James a do on me.
What me can't believe is my confined in this dirty man and him come and lie to me.
When tell us, when
Say
come
you-
and tell us.
Oh no, a friend and me take he tell me to give me his number, because me tell him say me need friend. Me so long I talk to him like say I give me a talk to. Well confined in him, you know, me say the other day after he take me number. The other day. Cause they call me for phone and attack say, like how we been going so good for the phone, you can't come link me down a shortcut. Me take my nose say, well gonna batch him go beard and sit and I say yes, no me go meet my friend. Come me find another somebody to chat to. Yo, what do you forget when me go down there where the boy I put to me? Just take a while, guess girl.
Look here.
Hey, come like you did it. I say I put him in a
Me not happy did it. Me know if you are so James stand. James a dirty boy.
Say,
You can't.
say.
You couldn't call me and tell me, girl. So I'm man.
You?
Girl,
Yeah, we go
even
much
though I
time
love
me a
them,
try
yeah.
talk
Even
to
though
you
you know
about
me love this, I'm gonna let this because of this. This keep me calm.
You must tell me that try to talk to you about you and listen. I say I take out me and to give him a back, but you lucky thing say he have good with it. And I say that connect up to this girl that we connect. I don't say
You can't believe.
but the anytime we go up with dirty pervert, I'm gonna make sure you. I mean, never know say your ex girl. I mean, you live too much in beers when you could say me say you have one dirty ex. Now me
And you are telling me about James now, you know. So me that. Me never want to talk about James, girl, because James hurt my feelings. James grown under with every woman.
Well,
Me and James say, me treat James good. James don't want no good treatment. James want grown there with everybody.
well,
So
right
I just
now,
run James out of my house.
right now, you see, you shame as a person. That's the girl told me shame right now. The shame so till you shame as a person. That's me right now. But me blame you know. But honestly and truly, me
You
blame
can't
you.
blame me, girl. You can never blame me because what? I know me, they tell us if you go chat to James. You have to turn up on your own 2 feet then. You're a big girl. Me's not your mother. What is wrong with you, little girl?
What you mean you're not my mother? Me never say me need a mother. Me did tell us me need a mother. If me didn't need one, you listen to me. I whatever. You me blame you because you should have tell me say watch ya. When we did talk from church days, me did find one dirty man named James. Everything name me did mention to me. You?
Oh, me if you know say James want you, eh?
Don't
You're
talk
not,
to me.
You're not big girl, eh?
You're
You think me a
right.
kill me teeth with you? You're kill teeth with James. Oh! Me can tell you what you do for what you do.
So me sorry.
You're sorry.
Yeah.
You're sorry.
Me say me sorry, dear. Me call your phone and ask you if me can come. Me say you. Me a go left your yard, you know. Me a go left your yard.
You
And
know
right now
one.
me a go pack up
You
me
know
something because
one.
this is all you care about. After
Yes,
me think
me
you care about me
this
and
year,
take
this year,
me.
go find something to keep your company.
Ah,
This
really
is
that
my
you say?
friend. My friend.
Really that you pick?
Go on.
That you pick?
Go on to James. Go along. Yeah, chat to James. Go along to James.
You know what? Me say me sorry the day. I can't find you and call your phone and tell you something I want to come build a vibes video. She don't even know me hate her right now. Me a go up here, go pack up my stuff them and you not see me back. Sorry, say you.
To my friend, yeah, my best friend is a boy. Go along to James and James are damn idiot. Alright, just so me has done and chill. And go and drink my friend. Out of all of the girls them, and this that the girl you're choosing on about, eh? What make you do that, youth? You know if you're not good somebody, eh? You're dirty man, not James, eh?
So yeah, behave so no lie me like the girl want me choose her.
James, you know say, you don't want nobody that I know. You don't want nobody that you just a walk around and look everybody pitney and if you use them. What I'm here, James? What happened?
But me like TT. Me like her, that's why I talk to her. Me can't change, you know.
You can't change you. For me know you, you're not change until today. Look on you. You know me come take you for a while ago? Rumbar.
You know, she make me go run bar because she tell me say she don't want me and me I say, oh, I don't know what that for. I don't know where you tell her like you go tell her influence her and put things in her head make she never bother like me. Because she did like me, you know. And I suckled me and she did a go man good, you know. Because we did start off as good friends. I was a very good person to her. And then all of a sudden, she never want me to touch her. I don't understand that.
First of all, when you come at me yard, pa, me no dead. Me left how much years now? When you come at me yard, pa, in our first place.
I passed me to the pass and me there heal up, but then it's fortunate that I run into TT and then me and TT start talk.
You a liar. You never that pass nothing. You, anytime you see people girl picking you, so you go on. I treat you see TT, you know, make you go over, come over me yard, you know. I treat you see TT, make you come on me yard because that's how you turn everybody you want. That's why me have to let you and run you from me yard.
Watch out, man. Amanda, just cool. Cause watch out. I hear say, as you did say it, I hear now we left. You see me? So, I change. I do things differently. And go ask her if you think I like me, I tell. Ask her if I not check in on her. Ask her if I not call her. Ask her if I not listen to her. Ask her if I not always do everything to her.
Your mouth. Me no want to hear nothing from you. You hear me? I say, you got me. I want you to lower, you know. Lower!
But I know your decision that.
Lower! Low! What me say to you a while ago? What me just say to you a while ago?
So, all of this a violence, all of this a violence,
repeat.
Right, I know,
You know why you're me yard. You come back on me yard.
I love her.
Love her?
I love her. And it's your choice.
There will be a big stone in your head. You know why I'm getting a youth. Lower! Back me and tell again. Don't see boy.
TT now have a mind her own. All you go on and I feel like TT really like me, you know. You can't stop me from talking to her. It's my party. I must see her again.
You subscribe yet?
Got a call from your mom today, that things ain't so good. She said things just ain't going right the way that it should. Way that it should. She said since you've been gone, it's like a terrible storm. She's down on her knees and she's trying to hold on. Don't know what's in her head. Maybe the things that you said. She wants you to come back home. Back. She's missing the company of her daughter. You could have replaced the love of her mama. From the moment you left home, things was just not the same. Things were just not the same. Standing facing the mirror like a soldier in pain. Soldier in pain. Soldier in pain. She's trying to hold on to the times that remain. Sometimes it can feel so haunting. It drives you insane. With your picture in hand, she just can't understand why it's taking so long and she wants to move.
Hello. What's your operator? Jesus Christ. How much time if you call this a little girl here? Look here, operator, I need to ask you no question. You call me that you tell me about restricted and one, but yo, me try again. So see me now. Yes, I write number. Yes, I write number. What in a ring? Can't bother. The amount of time, it countless. It uncountable, Father God. Me can't get her. It's like them do it for spite and turn off the phone. Or her phone dead or her phone lost or somebody thief. Me don't know, you know what? Me can go for that dirty girl there, yard, you know. Go look if me pick me up there. All you a look for me? Where dirty Amanda there? Where your daughter there? You see she take with my daughter and carry my daughter come her yard? Me need my daughter. Hey, if me ever hold your daughter, you Mr. Sir, me no know you from nowhere and me no want to know your name. But me know some my daughter they stay on the yard. And me need her right now. Where your daughter there?
She gone on the road there now.
With my daughter?
Yeah, they must gone to the river or whatever down the road there.
I show you talk?
Yeah man, I read.
I wonder if you know who come in your yard. Me no ramp with people, you know.
Me know man.
Let me tell you, me not like tell people my business, you know. But you look like you enough and inquisitive and want to know my business. Me and my baby father left. And you look like you and him and one, you know. Me no want to bust up your face up here today, you know. You see if you have me daughter in your house and I go like you know.
Yeah.
You see me go down the road and no river and me no see her.
Yeah.
When me come back up, judgment take you.
No bother with it man. Just take it easy. Take it easy.
Daddy, what you mean when me a call you for? Me a call you to tell you say me not have no way food because me leave Amanda yard last night. You wouldn't want to know when me sleep last night. What you mean by you don't talk to me and tell me how everything set at your yard? That not have nothing to do with me. So you gonna have me out on the road? What you mean cause my mother me need to go home? You know me and my mother can't agree, so what you mean by go home? Me and you don't have this conversation already and you are gonna make it difficult again for we talk about this more always talk about we talk about already? Don't make things difficult. It's either me come stay with you or me go stay up on the street. And me know you wouldn't want that for your reputation. Because Daddy, listen to me. Send me a location so me can know where to come. Stop telling me to go to my mother yard. What do you mean by go to my mother yard? You're going to send the location, yes or no? Because me can't bother with it back and forth. Is it you're going to send it or not? Matter of fact, I not even have no service for the location, so either you're going to tell me the direction. From the yard where you come the other day from up there, so which part I must go? And then turn where? You see, you're not even curious, you not even could have said me come meet you. It's all cool, we will find no way. No, me call you back or something. Okay then.
Me not stand up on purpose.
Okay.
So, what is the matter with you? You just heated or what?
I know nothing. I feel like you eat it because you come in and slam the door, so I ask for the reason, but...
Come on, man. Stop making things flip around and everything. Alright. I have something to talk to you about, and I really want you to understand what I say. And take what I say, it's not something I force by you, but at the end of the day, it's like, it's something I have to do. And I think it's the best thing for me, though, as a man in a demo time. You understand me? Because I haven't been there 100%. And from she reach out a certain way, I want to say, alright, let me try. See? It's to me, man. Let me tell you about that, alright?
Okay.
And she basically now have a good relationship with her mother. You know, I explain it to her this, man. my daughter and my mother and her mother kind of not really. No, I mix up everything because I'm nervous because I don't want to get this so wrong. For her mother and me not really have a good relationship and look like the same thing that can happen right now. You understand? Them can't agree, them can't live in the same place. So she has said to me, said she want to come stay with me. There's an extra room over there, so I'm gonna make she stay in that room there. You understand? So I don't want you look on it like me and force nobody upon you.
No, you can't force nobody upon me. Eh?
So just understand, so I'm gonna make you forward, yeah?
You gonna do what? Cause it sound like you make up your we supposed to talk about this and come to an agreement, right?
Yeah,
It sound like you make up your mind already.
it's not about make up my mind already, it's about the facts. I'm a daughter you talk about it.
Yeah, but wait up to do with me though.
You just have to do it you to understand say it's a situation. As I tell you from before, I now force nothing
Yeah,
on
you can't force nothing upon me.
Yeah, just please, this time for once, just understand say, you want your help. See, help me now.
Oh, I'm gonna help you, because I'm not take care of nobody. I am not going to share big As a matter of fact, and a big pitney, you don't talk how much.
Yeah, big girl. So, it's not a matter of that. They have share a late start based on everything. You understand what I say? Just make me just do this one thing and do it with you together. At least I think going to determine the strength of our relationship, you know. Only if you know that. Based on how we deal with this now, go determine if we actually meant to be together. Because you don't know, so you can't pick me already. I mean, I have no problem with you.
How dare you? There's no way you're going to bring up that.
No, but I don't matter bring up that. But me, as I said, have a problem with that as a man. Knowing, say, boy, yeah, nothing wrong with my testicles, them. You can't do what I want to do. Me not have a problem with say, boy, alright, my girlfriend with me, she explained to me, so she can't pick me, so I still have her. No man will not tell you, so if you go on, I tell her that. No man will run you away and nobody in and nothing with you. But because I'm genuinely.
Do not touch me.
What do you mean don't touch you? I don't understand why you make it seem like a something where we go argue and fight.
Listen to me, listen to me. Are you a pitney at the end of the day, do what you want to do. Are you a place, do what you want to do. But I'm not going to get involved. She go there and I'm not going to care. You understand what I say?
She want to even help her with certain things.
What is there for me to help her with? She's a big girl. She can... Me I say, listen to me. Me I say, alright, bring her come. Are you a pitney in the room today? Bring her come, but me not have nothing to do with it. Me not have nothing to do with it. Bring her come.
Listen to me, son. Alright, this is what I'm saying to you. I don't want that energy there with you and she.
I can't promise you nothing.
What do you mean you can't
promise? I cannot promise you anything because oh dear, me and you have a conversation. Listen, I don't want to get upset. You hear me?
You're upset already, but I don't know why you get upset for the talk we are talking already.
Because you irritate me. Because you come to me and make the decision already. You plan out everything and you come to me and tell me about she go move in. You not have a say?
I'm sorry to make it sound like I make a decision already, but she called me and she say all kind of things and it's like, the father antenna start pop up in the middle.
I'm gonna say it's fine, bring her come, but call me out.
That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. Alright, here we go. Just don't have an argument with her and we take it in stages.
Why make an argument with her? She's a child.
Because of how you stay, you will there so and just out of nothing, out of magic, out of the ear, just pop up one problem for nothing at all.
Give him my space. Go on. Mr. Bring him picnic come if I bring her come. Give him my space. Don't touch me, excuse.
Come here. Come here now. Come here, let's relax, man.
Don't touch
Come
me,
here, man. Come here, man. Come here, man. And calm down. We know see you have high pressure already. Just relax, man. Alright, my baby? Nobody not take a place. Come on, say that you're upset about. Alright? Just relax, man. Calm down. Relax yourself. Inhale, exhale. Spread your foot out.
Stop it.
No, but I know exactly say you just want to just relax. Alright? Alright? Look for me, babe. Look for me now.
You know I cannot have kids and you bring your daughter in my life and I come and tell me I know I can't have kids. So what you ask them?
I'm just saying I love you unconditionally. Alright?
You subscribe yet?
Yeah, but you want to see there? But you have all reason for doing it when you're cool. Babe!
What? I don't know you are from me. I'm tell us I need some space. I'm come around here to find me. What?
Maria,
What is it?
Maria, listen to me, Maria. I don't like how you so you just have to take this thing on a different level, like you feel like it's a girl that go take a space. My daughter, you know, and you're my woman, you're my heartbeat. I see you just
It's
come.
not about that. What kind of band me and I can make?
You go make because you
You see,
want
if
me.
you want to look at toddler, that different. Yeah, bring one big old pit in my life. I'm supposed to do support you know the manners. Oh, me and I go back and forth every time?
But you sound like you are the person with not gonna man.
Because me try to expect the unexpected and I understand my condition my mind already.
But you're conditioning your mind for negative. That makes sense, babe?
Yes, it makes sense. Why it don't make no sense?
It don't make
to you?
no sense because negative attracts negative. Thought attracts that upon which it is
Me like,
directed.
why you come on here? Why you come on here and disturb me?
Because
You don't feel like so this is a lot for me and I actually need some time to think?
I tell you. In life, sometimes you have to understand, say, it's not about thinking by yourself. We could go through it together. No?
Why we gonna go through together when you get up and plan things for your own and come to me after you make the decision, come and tell me say that I'm moving? No.
Listen,
You what?
for God's sake, believe me when I tell you, say, I'm not something plan like that. You understand? Hello? Okay, what I get? Alright, may I come, yeah? May I come?
What are we you
My daughter
Yeah
reach.
man, go on fair. You can't say, me never tell you say I'm not gonna be a part of nothing what you're doing and your child and your responsibility. You understand? You understand what I say to you?
It's not gonna make no sense, you know, add up. Yeah, come with me, come meet her. First.
Come meet who?
Alright. Whenever you come upstairs, we can make your
Yeah, whenever
family.
I come upstairs.
Soon come. My daughter. Yo, my brother. Me there, good. Same. Me there, pana. You know, me just a link up with my daughter. Give me about 2 minutes and I'm call you back, here. Alright, so 2 minutes and I'm call you back. Yeah, alright, cool. Welcome, my girl. Jesus Christ! Happy to see you, know. You alright?
I'm good.
So make you give me attitude. Come and take your bag, man. Come, you carry it. So. Right, so this is our place. Fridge, we have little egg and bread and so forth. Something that fridge can cook, yeah? And you don't know, say stove there and everything there. We have tin mackerel and them something.
Me hungry right now.
I just tell you just in case. Over there's our full room. This is our place. Yeah, me and Maria. And this is your room. We soon make her introduce. When we soon introduce to Maria, here she downstairs, she soon come. Yeah? Just get comfortable and relax. Alright? Babe.
Excuse me.
Babe, just relax now. Just calm. Just.
What is it? What is it?
I'm going to introduce you to the doctor. Come here. Here? But me I beg you, please. Just don't bother. Just please see me now. Smile. Smile now.
Which one should I?
I give some money. Smile. How much money? 5,000? 10,000?
Which part?
15,000?
Which part you know?
20,000? 25,000? Going once? Going. No man, this is serious. She in the room. Listen.
Good evening. Good evening.
Give me some space to answer.
Relax.
Normally when somebody tell the evening and response in time, good evening.
Good evening.
Exactly.
Maria, this is my daughter. Tamika, this is Maria.
So, negative. But why is she coming with all this attitude?
No, listen. No bother with that. Maria this is Mr. Tamika. Tamika, you have to understand, say, I was living there for a long time. She's not really used to nobody being here. You understand?
I'm not going to, but me, aye, you may forget your rules, but I'm going to put on some rules. Not because she's your woman. First of all, I don't work with Steph. Steph is something I walk on. So if I don't take message, I will send it on Steph. Okay. I'm going to put on some rules. She and I go come talk to me like, yeah, my mother.
Tamika.
No, yeah. So one.
You know, I talk to me like, my mother.
Right.
And my father already told me, you don't want me, and you don't want me. I big girl, I know why.
I never said that. I never. No.
Okay.
Tamika, what you doing, Tamika?
Down here, so I'm still
Okay. The other one.
Tamika.
You done?
Alright.
and don't come over talk when you talk. And don't shut up myself. Don't
So I can talk now? As calm as I can and as respectful as I can. The house no belongs to your father alone. So when you there at Ines, you go stay. The food and him alone buy it, you go come in, you go drink and eat anything you want to eat. And you're a child, I'm going to have respect to me. Do not play with me. So you come in here, boy, you lay down rules. Remember, say you're pitney, do not play with me. Control her.
Tamika, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Don't. You see how you have your so-called woman that come disrespect me?
Tamika, listen.
What she mean by this is not your house?
Tamika, listen. You listen what I say? Me and father.
Make sure stay around yourself, stay around yourself. Anything will come on this house, I'm going to as much as more. Right now, my uncle, I need to go look for something.
Tamika, you saw me.
And you should come in and move here. But just go pack up my stuff and
Tamika.
Listen,
hey, listen and some foolishness. We are talking about yourself and
why you never just go put me in one home?
But you're here in your home. This is my father.
I mean, not feel welcome?
Because of who you are going. You hear your voice? And your mother's side that dirty street is, I know. Because I understand why you feel like this is the first thing you're going to approach a person with. And say, here, this is mine. This is my name.
You see,
no manners.
I don't work with Steph because you pick up fishy. You know, see how she come in here with her attitude.
Tamika.
Evelyn. Or whatever she says.
Tamika, you listen to me? Listen to me and
I'm
trust
all
me.
ears.
Please be all ears. You cannot be acting like this and expect the people funny or act weird upon you. This attitude we are bring with is the result of why everybody I go give her this thing. You see now, accept when I try to make doesn't make sense 1 second. You see, if you continuously put in what you always put in, you're gonna get out the same thing what you always get out of it. This attitude thing we are carrying out, it's not gonna be nothing more than attitude back to you. You understand me? I say, I am not taking no side. You're my daughter. Where do me carry her?
So why you never call her one side and talk to her about her attitude before you bring her here in here? So are you?
You don't know if me do that. And
you couldn't never do that as she come in here.
As my daughter, me have to do it separate. I realize say me have to talk to person to person differently out of each other's space because we have to understand. Say I don't want battlefield this. I don't want who have this and who have that situation.
When you tell me, she said she don't want me because she not going to invite
me. But
who
tell her that?
See upon the road.
Who tell her that?
You tell me.
I never say that to you. I say to you, say the situation complicated when I live.
So, me pick up my because...
When you still
Tamika, just stay with me.
Tamika, listen. Lie down and relax and go sleep. Go. Just... Tamika.
Don't tell me what
to do. Yeah, I'm your father, Tamika. Listen, I said for once.
You don't see him so?
Because I
have to classify me as your daughter and you have to put me. I said I go because if I said I go, I'm not going to stay here. Honestly, I'm not going to stay here.
Honestly. You think it?
I bet you know you're going to say.
What you say to me?
Just go and do it.
Let's go and sleep here. Yeah. Gimana bang? Kalau Nabar.
You think you got work for? You need to go marry for you?
You can't calm down with this attitude, something. Can you calm down with this attitude, something? It takes 2 people to make a point.
You're damn right.
And it takes 2 people to start a one. See? And if you can just try with the bigger one and be the peacemaker. Alright? So if you can even give us some money.
What you say? What you say? After your child, you know what I'm saying? Child, come in and go like a big man, but she lay down rules, I'm supposed to feed who? Feed who?
Alright,
that's crazy.
I talk carry and everything won't fix. You understand me? So I'm gonna just extend it. I'm gonna work, I'm gonna bring back some food too.
You better.
So you wanna cook?
Cook for who? Yeah, mother cook for me because I'm hungry. When I'm hungry, I will cook for me.
Alright, I'm so far, yeah? Just can't bother this animosity.
What go tell her say in the year?
I tell her already.
Okay. And tell her to stay at my week.
You can't do this to me, Maria.
Me already do this for you.
Maria.
I already do this for you.
Ah, boy, rough, it is hard. I don't understand.
Why you feel like something don't understand? You know see what the problem? You go out, the child call into the say she want to come here, you make the decision for your own, you bring her and come here. Point of fighting on the manners. Because even if she say I come in to her with attitude, she did already prepare to give me attitude because she go talk about say she have rules to lay out. I want Pitney, we are talking about, you know, we are talking about a child.
Let's do it. Alright, later. See? I have to go to work. I'm going to work and I want a good mindset.
Wanna work?
Even want to chop some side of my mouth. The kiss me with heat a while, I can feel the energy and heat.
You get one kiss, so wanna work. May God guide you for me. Alright?
I like that vibe that's still, but I work.
Somebody in there?
I want, is what?
Where you going so far?
When you come out of the room, I bang down the door so far.
It's a bathroom. What you mean? I want to use it. What?
So if you come out, you realize I'm in my room, I'm in the bathroom, and I use my use it, and I feel like something in the bathroom,
How
I
much
use
we
it.
even know say you're in the room and you're not out here?
See, I feel like say if I'm there in the bathroom, I use me as the bathroom. You see, if you never did that look problem, I knock the door and call and check if me in here. But you come and beat on the door, so me ask you what.
First of all, me and not the door for why you never answer for somebody. The
Yeah,
door closed. Jesus
Girl.
Christ. Stop causing a scene over nothing. What's the
to me.
problem with you? You're there with my father, you already have him. Me can't take him from you, even though I'm a daddy. What you mean by?
Listen to me. Yeah, listen.
I am, me not there.
You come out of the room and I beat on the door. You never come knock on the door check if somebody in there. You know me in there, so you come and beat on the door. Me ask you what?
What is this? You sound so illiterate. This is a nap. I
Girl.
literally nap.
You irritate me. So if you talk, you talk. You know, you have 5 minutes.
No, it's all good. Just take it for yourself. I'll me in there. Take this down.
Tired, me can't go no further, you know. Where this drunk gonna pick up the phone? Yeah. I'm glad you hear me. I'm glad you hear me. As you open the phone, you have to hear me. When my daughter there? When my daughter there, I want to know my daughter there because I'm up and down all day from yesterday, today, every minute, every second and hour of my life, I look for her, I can't find her. The things that when I hear say I go on, I can't bother with that. So it makes sense she just come back her yard. Come back a me yard, a fear yard. My yard is her home. A fear home. I want she come back to my yard. Which part she there? What do you mean she there for your yard? A friend went since she there up at your yard. You know what? Me I come for my daughter. Me I come for her. Me no want my daughter live with no stepmother. The only thing me know as step is when me walk on. She not supposed to have no stepmother. You understand me? Yeah. Because some things when me hear that me not true. And me never believe say up there she there. Because you don't call me and tell me nothing from she there. So I true there she there. Okay. So the person who call me and tell me where I go down at your yard, say me not feel worry myself because of your yard. We pick me there. Okay, so I true. You have her up there and make me walk up and down like an idiot. True, she did wear the little dirty butterfoot girl. Amanda, me think say she did it still. Okay, alright. Me I come for my daughter.
She said she whoever and look on the part. Jesus Christ. So-called stepmother here.
Sabon you go in here? Eh?
What is this morning? Yeah, look for much about.
Me tell you see the first thing you come in and tell us and your daddy buy everything in here. You never ask first before your father buy egg?
No.
Him tell us them buy egg?
Wait. What's her name? What Miss So-called mother. I'm freaking hungry. I'm gonna get up and look for some eat. And yeah, come this even that you have problem with.
No.
What you want me to do? Near me and piss for you? Because this is a door want me use the watch. You don't want me use the stove. What you want me to do? Near me and piss for you? I don't want me fall about you, you know. Me I go warn him, but because me know you have a problem. Yeah, the best thing you do is leave me alone here. And anyway, you take it this morning, me I go fry the egg. Here.
Fry it now?
So watch me! Watch me!
Fry it now? Fry it.
Me have hand and me can't take it.
But as a matter of fact, let me tell you this. You go talk about you go make complaint to your father, you go this, you go that. Me not tell us your father don't buy nothing in here. We ain't go do about it.
All
you
of
go want me and
no,
drink me a fee money?
From come here, all I do is sleep. So me don't know which people get money from to buy stuff. Put in here, sir. Give me the
As a matter of fact, give me this. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give which egg? Give you which egg? Talk to me. You're full of so much chat. You can't. Light back the stove and see. Light back the stove and see. No, you can't like Zambo. The guy say your father by that. Who give you permission to come up?
Who give you permission to talk to my daughter like that?
She have manners?
You know no manners. That's why she not gonna have none to you. Respect go and respect come from.
You're damn right.
You know why you treat people picnic so? Eh? Because you cannot breed and you're not no picnic. You don't know how to take care of people picnic. That's why I deal with her so. Anyway, I come here from up your yard where you think you feel. My baby father yard where you think you yours. I told me no one thing. I say a garbage you pick up. When me put on you take up and I know from how long you take you up, you can't breed, you can't give one picnic. Who you?
So my man I come to you and I tell you my business.
You don't have to tell me.
No feel like you have nothing over me.
You don't have no secret.
No feel like you have nothing. And then have nothing to do with
Marina,
you. Walk
you're road. It's spread, that is no secret.
You're walking in my house and I try to disrespect me. Take your pitney and go on. If she come for take her and go. She don't welcome here, so take her and go on.
And look where you argue one.
It don't matter. You can afford a bottle of oil.
What does she know?
Carry her go on and go feed her.
Yes, you?
Carry her home go feed her.
First time me hear down the road about you, where they matter about you and my baby father. Me hear how you did a dead for hungry. That's why I pick up. So guess what? Drink the oil for juice. She not dead for hungry and me she live with her.
You can't make me feel bad.
She don't want to live with
you. You can't make me feel bad. Take your picnic, your bag in her room go feed.
So you
take her and go on.
Who you? So two her mother not around her and you live with her father. You feel you can't treat her anyway. Who you?
Why is she there in the first place?
Why you there?
Why is she there in the first place? Because I'm a man.
And your man are pooper. And if she did kill her, you wouldn't get her.
Lady,
up here you had to stay. Me? So now she come to stay with you. You can't treat her like a dog.
Come to stay with me.
After you have her up here sleep out place and I wash up place, the thing she not call me and tell me you wouldn't get her up here if you can't stay with you if I never her father.
Relax yourself. Me have you a sleep out place?
Look how much things you have her up here do. You mess up the toilet and make sure I'll go in there the other day go clean up here. Who you? And make sure you phone me and call me and tell me say she not even have bleach nor sanitizer.
Like mother like that, yeah, that is a liar. Take her and go on with her.
Anytime. You know what? And I wish no bad for you. Me a hope and pray you breed one day and get one child. And then you will understand how to treat people. You see you? It's a
Go for your things, them where you juggle.
Go for which things?
Go for them.
You, a long time here, say, I'm a worker. No way she care, she don't want back. Take them and wear them because you're not no clothes.
Make
and
sure
you're not
yes,
no
like
up. Look here, look there. You know how much egg there for your yard? When we give it this morning to
you
a
see
little
like
old
how
man,
me and Obi
see
worker.
the yard done.
You see like how me and Obi worker make sure say no we are sweating and in the cause me go Obi the 2 hours.
Obi eat.
Alright.
Obi eat because you
Just
feel
give
say
me
you're
a yard.
Obi man more than I'm
Just give me a yard
My
chance,
Obi man is God.
Alright.
That's when we go down on them Tony here and pray
Come
for you.
out of my house.
Come out another.
Come out of my house.
Stand up. Take me
Come
out.
out.
Our father house.
Come
Another.
out. Come on. Come on.
This is store they have my money by it.
And what?
And what you
And
gonna do?
what?
Another.
I want you out of my place.
Listen
Go on
to me.
out of there. Come out of my place.
You think I'm afraid of you?
And me wasn't afraid of you.
I'm not afraid of you no at all. And you can't put back your
A fighter come up
no
for fight?
dear.
No, a fighter come up for fight. Cause look at you come in there with a lot of rich. I mean, make you know say whatever your daddy tell you say a lie. Me not ask her to do nothing. You see, when her father tell me saying go bring her here, me tell the man say me no have nothing to do with the man in Pitney. I don't talk to this little girl if she come and tell her about.
You see,
Me
you're
tell
not
her
a good step
listen. You see
You're
when
not
they're
a
ready.
good step
When they're ready, the door they're ready. So me don't chat to you.
You are
Me
my
don't
step
talk to you.
daughter and that you should have
Just come on, find a way out. Find a way out.
Find my way out.
Yeah, you can stay there and chat. Me not have nothing more to say to you. Me not have nothing more to say.
Look how soon you go left out here.
Cause must fight, you come up here for come fight. If you come for your pitney, you take up your pitney and go on. No, let me tell you, me no want no evening from you. Let me tell you this. You see? When you come back here later, me not go there. You understand? You and your baby mother and your pitney can move in because me go leave your stuff for them. You understand what I say? Me no want you where you have to say me I tell you and me have to say and that's why I call you because me I tell you say baby mother come up here for fight but she come for pitney in a one bag of talking with me. Yes, she come here. Yes, just look a while. No, she come here in a rage. But me not have no manners and her daughter. Your daughter call her and tell her about say me have her a clean bathroom. When that happen? Yes, me not tell her like that is what she say. I mean make you know say me not Tanya. So what I supposed to mean? Yeah, but me I tell her say she never have no manners to me. I there enough time and see she not have no respect either. So I'm supposed to have manners to her for. I feel them side of the pan. Alright, cool, stay up on them side. I'm going to left the place for your pitney here. Yes. As a matter of
Tired. I talk to you right after because I don't want to go down this way heap of people them there. I know say you feel sad about the situation that happened between me and you, although it wasn't my fault. I go tell you the truth straight up. I am your mother and you need to listen. They say if you did listen to me, you wouldn't end up in this. You understand? So sometimes it's not good for you to follow a friend. You understand me? Because things will reach you. They go make you unhappy and sad, and the same place where you left from, a day you have to go back. Always make sure you have manners to your parent or your parents. Even though me and your father not there together no more, I'm not going to tell you to disrespect him. I'm not going to tell you to you hear me and him in an argument. You must put yourself in there. It is not right. You understand? Else when you turn adult and ready to have your children, what you do or what them can do too. Children live where they learn and learn where they live. Me need you to listen to me. Understand what I say. Because if you listen to me keenly, you will learn and understand say outer road not pretty. Friend will lead you astray. You're lucky you never get pregnant. Can you not listen to me? Me go carry go doctor to make sure say you're alright. Me not say nothing happen to you, you know.
Mommy, you don't have to worry about that. I'm not them type of person. All I need is some attention. That's why I'm there back and forth. And I cannot find it. And I feel like say you're the right person to give me that attention, but you just don't got the time, and I just that's the problem. Because the other day when me call Daddy and I was talking, I say you love me, you don't have the time. Me know say you love me, but me know say you just don't have the time, and me just need the attention because as we did say, you not trust your pitney around man. And it's better if you raise me or you want to raise me, because if you did that here, things will happen in I past wouldn't happen. But me not blame me, blame myself. Because I should have listened to you from the get-go and just ease myself and wait.
My daughter, I understand everything what you just said to me. I am your mother. I should have paid you more attention. And when we, mother, don't pay with children no attention, things can happen in a real life. And I rather you stay with me because it's a girl child. You say if you did boy now, you could have lived with your father. So what you just say you're correct. Only because me dey work. And me did kind of busy, but me should have still make time for you. You understand me? Because if them fire me from them work, me go have to look at another job. But you go always be my daughter. I love you. And I know you love me. I just the devil. You make trick you. And it cause all of them problem here. But me understand and me forgive you. I even forgive myself. You understand me? Me understand. You're big enough and want me to talk to you. So as from now on, I am going to pay you attention. You see that dirty girl there? Where you end up if you gone live with him and your father. Me know she no mother for a long time. She no mama. She's a careless little rich. You understand?
Yeah.
And love to take disadvantage of other people's children. She's a wicked. No wonder why God no give her no pitney. But don't worry yourself. Me love you, you're my daughter. And you will always be my daughter, no problem. Me understand. Anyway, come on. I make you go and go fresh up yourself. Because that dirty girl, they must feel say close them with your left up or yard you want them.
You subscribe yet?
Got a call from your mom today, the things ain't so good. She said things just ain't going right the way that it should. Way that it should. She said since you've been gone, it's like a terrible storm. She's down on her knees and she's trying to hold on. Don't know what's in her head. Maybe the things that you said. She wants you to come back home. Hey, she's missing the company of her daughter. You could have replaced the love of her mama. From the moment you left home, things was just not the